And welcome back to Open, everybody. I'm your host, Dr. Bob Lee from 107.5 WBLS, your number one station for R&B. You can check me out right after the Quiet Storm each and every night. 13 years ago, the Bronx Health Link held its first ever Community Health Education Day. Now they've returned to present the signature health event of Bronx Week 2011. Please welcome from Bronx Health Link, Robert Lederer and Esperanza de los Santos. We welcome you guys to the show.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Health Link, how did you guys come up with that, and what is it all about?
Well, the Bronx Health Link is a clearinghouse. It's really like a one-stop shopping for both consumers and health providers, human service providers in the Bronx to try to give the latest information on all the many illnesses that are affecting our borough, particularly people who are underserved, to try to get that information out through workshops and through educational conferences and advocate for the needs of people, particularly those dealing with poverty, which is so much at the root of all the health problems in this borough.
So how do you get the message out? What do you do, Esperanza? Do you go out to schools, you go out to community health fairs and let people know about HealthLink?
Yes, we actually do a variety of health-related workshops at different schools, CBOs, throughout the Bronx community. And we also attend health
So you
fairs,
hit all the community-based organizations?
basically, as well as the schools.
How do you let them know that you want to come out and do something and let people know?
We do outreach by sending out mailings, getting on the phone, and actually calling these schools and finding out if they want to take advantage of free workshops for their
Robert,
parents.
tell us, what are you doing for Bronx Week? It's right up on us right about now, and there's a lot of fantastic activities. What are you doing with Bronx Week 2011?
All right, well, we're having a really big health fair in the Bronx County Courthouse, and it's going to offer a lot of services, and actually Esperanza can fill us in a little more on what we're going to have to offer to the community.
Oh, is that the 13th annual?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That is.
Yeah.
So we have about 80 vendors that are coming out, and amongst those vendors are Montefiore Hospital, Urban Health Plan, which is a health clinic here in the South Bronx, as well as other agencies that are going to come to do screenings and things like that. And we also have a massage therapist that's going to be there for the community. So they
Can I
come
go?
and
Can I
yes,
come and get
definitely.
one?
You can
No
join.
charge. No charge.
And this is all free. This is all
Great,
free.
great.
Yeah.
And we can have BronxNet come down with the cameras, of course.
Definitely.
And
definitely.
our
That'd
radio
be great.
station can come down with one of the vehicles. I said, and
great.
this is going to take place this Friday.
Yes,
This coming Friday.
May
yes.
20th.
And you start at about 11, from 11 to 3. You're going to do this at the Bronx County Building.
Yes,
Yes, that's beautiful. That's Memorial Hall, 851 Grand Concourse,
exactly.
at about 161st Street.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. The
So
courthouse.
everybody should come on down. You're going to have all these wonderful things. And of course, you're going to highlight your organization.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Bronx Link.
Bronx Health Link.
Yep.
There you go. So what's happening throughout the year? You have that one main event. You're going to continue to go around to create the awareness that Bronx Health Link is there to help out in the community and to do some wonderful things.
Definitely.
What's the focus?
Well, as I was saying before, a lot of the problems in the Bronx with health have their root in poverty and the fact that a lot of these communities are medically underserved. So part of what we do, besides the educational workshops, and we sponsor conferences, but we also write reports and do advocacy for the needs of the community to make sure that the healthcare system is constantly being improved.
Is it also nutritionally underserved?
Absolutely.
That causes-
the lack of
Yes.
fresh fruits and vegetables, and all of those related problems that lead to obesity and diabetes,
And causes the medical problems. yeah.
Exactly. Exactly.
and that's something Esperanza does and others do workshops on those issues, on how to
Yeah.
eat nutritionally.
Can you let us know when those workshops are taking place? I mean, we'd like to maybe follow you on a few of those and
Oh, definitely.
catch you speaking. You're not afraid to speak in front of a camera. You're doing very well. I want you messing with you. You
No,
do very well,
definitely.
both of you
Definitely.
guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So you'll be going to the schools
Yes.
and community-based organizations.
Yes.
When you put together a schedule, let us know. Maybe we can capture a few of those.
Okay. Sounds
Yeah.
good. We actually have our schedule.
And they're offered in English and Spanish.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Or
Okay.
bilingual.
All right. So what's up next for the Bronx Health Link after Bronx Week, of course?
Well, now is that we actually get the time to work on our paperwork and everything that we have to submit to the State Department of Health, because we work through funding from them.
Oh, that's your
So-
main funding source?
Well, it's part.
Yeah.
Part.
Yeah, state and city health department are primary funders. And another project that we're doing now, which we're going to move into an interesting phase, is we have a board of community residents that reviews research coming out of Albert Einstein, research proposals,
Yes.
and tries to make sure that the community input is there and that that's really meeting community needs. So we're going to be continuing to work with that board and continuing to advocate and educate people about issues like the changes in Medicaid that are happening. We're going to have a big forum in the month of June. So we got a lot going on to try to get the word out, educate people, and involve them, and make sure their voice is heard in the halls of power.
How can people partner with you guys?
We're always open to building connections with community groups, so they just can contact us through our website or call us at, and our website is www.bronxhealthlink.org, or call us at 718-590-2648.
Are you looking for volunteers?
Well, in certain
Volunteers, money, manpower?
You know, we're open to people's participation on different levels, so if people might want to.
That's an easy way to say. Yeah, come on, we need your help.
Right.
That's beautiful. How long have you been in business?
Since 1998.
1998.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was an initiative started by the then borough president, and in conjunction with hospitals and healthcare centers, and has continued with that kind of partnership ever since.
Yeah, and it's been going strong ever since.
Thank God.
Beautiful. Are you working with the new borough president? on the-
Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah, no, that's you know, an important part of the partnership is the relationship with the borough president's office.
Okay. Esperanza, give me the 13th again, the 13th annual.
It's the 13th Annual Community Health Education Day. It's being held on May 20th from 11 to 3. Everybody's welcome. All the services that are going to be provided, or I shouldn't say services, all the vendors that are going to be there are going to be providing free information for the community.
There you go.
Yes.
All right. And
And
give
there's-
us your website. Go ahead.
Oh, and there's still time if any CBO wants to participate, they could give us a call and we should be able to arrange a table and a couple of chairs for them
CBO
to
is
come and
short
share
for
their
Community-Based
information.
Organizations.
Yes.
Come on, we need your help. Let's go. Give us a number and a website where we can contact you.
Our number is 718-590-2648, and our website is www.bronxhealthlink.org.
There you go. Esperanza de los Santos, Community Health Educator, the Bronx Health Link, and Robert Lederer, Research Policy Analyst. I like that. All right, the Bronx Health Link. Thank you guys for coming, okay?
Thank
you
you.
so much.
All right, you don't want to miss it. We're talking about the 13th Annual Community Health Education Day. Everybody's going to be there this Friday starting at 11 a.m., 851 Grand Concourse at 161st Street. We got to take another break, though. But up next,